morning everyone. I am standing in the surgery ICU. Okay, so today we are going to demonstrate about this ventilator. Okay, so this is the company of Oricare E8800. Okay, so first we will going to talk about the physical structure. In this we are going to see the front. What are the front thing that comes in the ventilator? Okay, so here in this ventilator the first thing is the screen. Okay, here we can adjust and this is the alarm button. Here expiratory and inspiratory through the from where the gases exchange can take place. Okay, here we can see some where we can see the pressure, alarm, okay, air sources and the compression. This is all about the front structure. Then we will going to talk about the back portion of the ventilator. What are the things that are come in the back portion? So in this first we can see here the on and off button. Here this is the exhaust fan and this is two connector. The black one is for the air and this white one is for the oxygen, from where we have to attach this to the central connectivity. Okay, so the proper supply we can connect the only in this ventilator we are only going to connect this oxygen. Okay, so then this is the buttons and this is the power source through which that are connected there. So this is all about the back. So now we are going to on this ventilator to see the things. So we have on this ventilator. Okay, so this will take few minutes to on. Okay, so the ventilator is started now and we are going to see what are the things that we are going to assess or see when we have switched on this ventilator. So we must remember before starting this ventilator we have to connect this to the main source. Okay, without so the ventilator is started. So here the ventilator can self-assess whether the technical test, whether the battery test, gas supply, oxygen cylinder, leak, flow sensor, pressure and all. So after the testing, if all are okay, then it's come into the main screen. Here we can see the battery. Here the patient having the weight of the patient. Then here we can see the low air supply pressure and the low oxygen pressure because we didn't connect this to the central. Okay, so this is the main screen and this is the patient control volume. Okay, then this is the main screen from where we are going to set the ventilator for the different patient in a different setting. So first we are going to see the patient setting. In this patient is adult or child, we have to touch this. This is a touch screen. Then ventilation type, invasive or non-invasive. Then we can see the body weight. From here we can adjust this 70-50 kg like that. Then here the mode of ventilation. Okay, we need